can we change the permissions in the same command with the using the alphabetically, like the user plus reading or the others plus
Yeah.
writing?
Yeah, you can.
It didn't go through it, right?
Maybe you put the space.
So like if I have a file, touch file 1, what is the permission?
Read, write,
Read, write, read, write, read. So I want to give like chmod user plus, I want to add execute permission, user group, I want to add execute permission, others, I want to add
execute and write.
write and execute.
Yes. File 1.
Because I was putting the space instead of comma. Maybe that's what-
Yeah,
need
you
comma.
should have to put the comma. So we can do the chmod using the numbers as well as the characters, right?
Yeah.
So owner is the user, it's represented with the U, and group
G.
G and others with O. You guys don't have to worry, okay?
We're trying to catch as much as
Huh?
we're trying to catch as much as we
Yeah,
can.
you just like you try to catch as much as you can. Otherwise, I will cover whatever I covered.
That
Okay.
helps anyway, thanks.
Yes. So you guys don't have to worry, or Naz will cover for you guys. Huh?
Who's not good?
Ras.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So basically in Unix, Unix is the operating system, right? So whatever the operation we perform, Linux is a operating system same like a Windows. In Windows, how we manage the operating system, how we administrate the operating system? Using graphical user interface, right? If you want to launch the Internet Explorer, just go into the program and launch the Internet Explorer. If you want to perform any operation, you have the graphical user interface to perform your operation. But the Linux is everything is the file, everything is the command. For specific operation, you have to enter the specific command for that, right? So just we learning the commands. So I want to check the time and date. How can I check? Date. Date is the command. Date is the command which display the time and date in your Linux system, right? So another is the I have a file 1, right? I write the content like a monkey okay, this is the content of my file. So what I have, monkey like banana, woman like pineapple, men's like apple. So cat file. Come on. Cat file 1. This is the way I can view the content. But just I want to see the lines. I just want to see the lines in my file has the word banana. I just care about the line contains the word banana. How can I display that line contains the banana? We have a command called grep. It grab the specific string or word from your file. Grep space I say banana file 1. What I got here? Monkey like banana. So now I said, okay, let's check the lines. How many lines has the word? How many lines have the word apple? So what I will do, grep apple how many lines have the word apple?
Two.
Two. Why I'm getting two?
Because of
Pineapple.
Pineapple
And an apple.
and apple. I said no, I don't care about the pineapple. I just do care about the apple. So what I will use? I will use the option along with the grep command. Grep -w apple and file name.
Are you recording, sir?
Yes sir, I am recording. So what I am doing? Grepping apple, just a word apple with -w. So what happened here? It skipped pineapple because I just want the word apple. Got it? I said, oh, okay, I don't want to see the word. I don't want to see the line has the word apple. And other than that, I want to see everything in my file. Okay? How can I do that? -v. -v void apple file1. What you will get if I run this command? What it will show?
everything except like
Every single exception.
So how many lines I have in my file?
Three.
3 lines.
3 lines.
What are they? So out of 3 lines, which lines it shows? Display.
First line, second line.
Huh?
First,
First and
second.
First and second.
first and
Second.
first is woman like pineapple. Pineapple has the apple, right? Right? So it won't show the first line. It just show the first line. Monkey like banana. Why it is not showing the pineapple and apple?
They both have like the word apple, right?
Yeah, both having the word apple. So what is the command I have? Grep. Using the grep, you can grab the specific content, specific line having the word. Or you can skip the specific line. Suppose I said, no. I just said apple. If it is a have pineapple, I want to see that line. What I have to do?
-v -w.
Yes, grab -v, -w, apple and file name. So grep is a very powerful command. Okay? So I will cover more examples because it's very important command. I will copy some file. Hope that will exist for everyone. Okay, copy this file like etc sysctl.conf. What is dot means? Present, right? What is dot means? Parent of the present. How can I see the content of the file? Can you see? This is the content of my file. So I want to see how many lines how many lines contain IPv4. What? IPv4. IPv4. So I want to see the lines contains IPv4. Anybody wants to tell that command?
Grep space IPv4.
Grep space -w. It's a good IPv4 and my file name. Got it? So what I got here? net.ipv4 forwarded. Right? So using the grep command, you can specifically grab the things grab the lines, you know, having that word or a string. Let's see how many lines doesn't have it. IPv4 sysctl. What is the option I have to use?
IV.
So many lines doesn't have it. Let's see how many lines has the tables. IP tables.
Forgot to.
Okay, so this is the way you can do it. So I will give you like a 2 minutes. Create the fruits file and practice and create the copy the sysctl.config from etc and run these commands. Copy etc sysctl in your home directory and run these commands. Cat file1, right? Again, I have like a cat greater than file1. How many lines contains the banana?
Two.
Grep. What is the problem with the other?
Says
After
sensitive.
letter.
Huh?
Case sensitive.
Yes, case sensitive. Unix is the case sensitive. How can I say like a ignore case?
I.
Except.
Got it? So banana with the lowercase b, banana with the uppercase b.
Two different people.
Two different b's. I'm just saying ignore case.
So minus I is command for ignore. Okay.
Yes, minus I. Ignore case. Okay? Okay. Let's learn another command. TR command.
TR.
TR. Translation. Okay? So you can translate from uppercase to lowercase, you know, TR cat file1. It is a lowercase or uppercase, whatever the content of my file. Lowercase, right? So I want to convert into uppercase. TR is the command. TR hyphen lowercase a to z but you cannot pass the file name here. You have to give the file name with the standard in character. What is the standard in? Less than sign, right? Remember? What happened?
It changed all to uppercase.
It changed all lowercase to
Uppercase.
uppercase. So it changed the content of the file.
No.
No. Same content.
If I do the cat file name, what you will see? Uppercase or lowercase?
Lowercase.
Lowercase. What is get changed? Display. What is get changed?
Display.
So it's reading the standard in file, input from the file, and converting into uppercase and displaying on the display file. What is our display file?
Screen.
Your monitor or screen file. I will give you 2 minutes. Try this command. TR.
So it's not gonna save.
Huh?
So it's not gonna save.
It's not gonna save it. It is not changing in the file. It's just reading from the file and displaying. Suppose if I want the content of my file, everything is the uppercase. Okay, I got the requirement. Content of my file, everything should be in the uppercase. How can I do it?
Redirect greater than file name.
Can you tell me the command, please? Anybody?
TR, AZ, and capital AZ. Greater sign. No, greater sign.
First less than, right? Read from the file.
Yeah. And then greater again. Yeah, file.
File 2.
File 1, file 2.
No, because
I'm
it's
just
gonna
giving
copy
the different file name.
Yeah, it's gonna copy to
If
file
you put the same file name,
What I did? I just giving the different file name. So what happened? Nothing is displaying. So if I do the cat file 2, what you will see here?
capital.
Everything is the uppercase. So what I did? Greater than sign.
And you change the name of the file, right?
Yes, and I give the different file name. Please try this. I will give you 2 minutes.
If I don't want to change the file name,
So TR So what happened here? I run the tr command -d space. So what happened here? I delete the spaces between the words. Okay?
Hyphen D means delete, right?
Yes.
What about the next sign after the?
Sorry?
What about the next sign after the meaning?
It's a,
This greater than, less than?
Oh, okay.
It's a read from the file. Okay? I cannot pass the file name here.
I mean, what should? I mean, this sign.
This sign. Oh, double quotes.
Yeah.
Yeah, double quotes is the, you can pass the, whatever the arguments, like what you want. Like I've just passed the space. Okay? So it is delete the space. Okay. Another command is the wc command. Wc file 1. So what it will do, it will count the words, characters and lines. How many lines I have? 4 lines. How many words I have in my file? 12. How many characters? 70. What is a command? To count the words, characters and lines. WC is the command. Word count. Suppose I just want to count the word, number of lines, just lines. WC -L file 1. How many lines I have? 4.
4 lines.
How many? I just want to count the words. How many words?
12.
Just I want to count the characters. Right? Any questions? No questions. Another command, what we have, everybody copy the list, right? Another command, everybody copy the CTL, right? It is little bit like a 2-page file. Okay? So what happen if I cat this file?
It will not fit to the monitor.
What happen if I cat this file? It is not fit on your screen, right?
Yeah.
But you want to read this file line by line. How can I read this file line by line?
Less.
Less file name. Okay, less file name. This is the first page of the file. If you hit enter, your file get moved up line by line, one line at a time if you hit enter. If you hit space bar, it will move page, one page at a time. Suppose you review the page, you want to go to the next page of your file, space bar. Just if you want to go to the next line, hit enter. Just if you want to quit, Q. Q to quit from the file. Okay. Next is what we have. Less is one command, another command is more. Same thing. Hit enter, one line at a time. Hit space bar, one page at a time. What are the two different commands we'll learn to read the content of the file? Less and more. I will give you 2 minutes, try it.
I didn't understand.
See the less command, when you run the less command, when you run the more command, you will see the how much percentage of the file you read. Can you see?
Oh, okay, yeah.
In less command, if you hit Q, if you run the less command, you didn't have that feature.
So the only difference is this, right?
Yes, that's the major difference. Okay? Now, I just want to read top 10 lines of the file. I don't care how many lines in my file. I just want to read top 10. Head 10 cctl.com. What I read? Top 10 lines of the file.
10 lines.
So, sorry, hyphen 10. Okay? Hyphen 10, head, space, hyphen 10, file name. So, you will read top 10 lines of the file. Now, I want to read bottom 10 lines of the file. Bottom 5 or whatever. Tail, hyphen 4. Just I want to read bottom 4 lines of the file. This is the bottom 4. Tail is to read the bottom lines, and head is used to read the top. Please try head and tails. Now, we will learn the different concept in our Unix. So, what is the different concept? So, I want to run some command. That command will give some output, right? I want to give the output of that command to the input to the another command. Got it? I am running the cat command. Cat space file name. What the cat space file name will do? Display the content of the file. What is the output of the file? Output of the cat command?
Screen.
Display the content of the file, right? Then I want to give that content as an input to the another file. Like a tar command, I want to give the tar. Or I want to do the count. Let's see. So cat file 1. This is my content. Now I want to give the output to the cat command, output to the tr command. What sign I use here? Pipe. Pipe. Right? Everybody know this sign? Yes, or.
Or sign in.
Very good. So it is on the backward slash, shift backward slash, right? This is the pipe. Then I said, come on. I said A to Z. Do I have to specify the file here?
No.
Because you already have the.
No, because the output, it doesn't, tr command doesn't read anything. It's already provided by the
Okay.
cat command. So if you want the output of one command give to the input as an input to the another command, what option you have to use? Pipe. Okay. So another example I will give. Cat, again file 1. Just I want to count the number of lines. What I got? 4. Another example, cat, file 1, grep, I am specifying the file name with the grep command? No. From where I am getting the input? From the pipe. Right? Please try this. Okay. Example. Everybody got this concept, right? Anybody has doubts? Please ask me. Adnan, Rafi, Shiraz, Taha, Noora. Noora.
I'm okay.
Okay. Cat file 1. This is my content. I want to grab why I got everything grab ending with makes sense. Got it? So what I did here, an A ending with an A. Any word has ending with an A. Like any word. You know like something network, right? So I said like grab. I know there is some word network ending with network in the file cctl. Nothing.
No, net. Just net.
Nothing.
V4.
Nothing.
V4.
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 Yeah.
Yes. No.
IPv4.
Something else.
It counts.
Yeah, IPv4.
Yeah, they should IPv4.
That's
Bytes.
Yes.
This. Yes.
So art ARD
it's not anything
ARD
with-
ARD because it's continues with that. It's not working.
It's not end.
There is one.
No.
Oh, this is not end.
Yeah. Put 0 maybe.
Yeah, maybe zero is the end. So lot of options. So, and if you want to say like a starting with grep,
It's end of word.
Carrot.
Line.
caret I.
Which is lines.
The line starting with I. Okay? Or grep caret shift 6. Okay? Caret is starting, dollar it's ending. Okay. I want to count how many lines in the sysctl.config file. How many lines? 40. How many character? 1150. How many words? 164. What I did? Pipe. Give it to WC command. Clear? Okay. Now another, what I am doing here? Creating a file called EMP, right? I have E number, E name, salary. E number 101, E name Abdul, 5000, 102, Mateen, 2300. Cat EMP, what it will show? The content of the file, right? Now, how many columns I have in my file? 3. And it is separated by colon, right? What is the delimiter here? Colon. Delimiter means separator. Okay? What is a delimiter? Separator. So, how many columns we have? 3. I just want to see E number and salary. I don't care about name. I don't care about the employee name. I just do care about employee number and salary. Cut. Hyphen D. What is delimiter? It has delimiter has to be in double quotes. Then this is field 1, field 2, field 3. How many fields I have?
3.
I want field 1 and field 3. Right? Hyphen F1, comma, F3. I cannot just specify the EMP. It will, oh, it's working. Or you can give same thing. What happened here? What you got? So based on your requirement, you can extract the data from the file. Right? What I did here? What I did? What I did here?
You translated the.
No,
No, you translate. You remove the semicolon with the space.
I translate the semicolon with
Space.
space. What I did? The output of this command, give it to the tr command. And I said tr, just translate colon with space. Try this
What
command.
the D stands for here? The
Huh?
D stands for here, the cut hyphen D.
Delimiter. It's confusing, right? Sometimes it's D stands for delete.
Yeah.
It will help. Currently the man pages is not installed in your system, but when we start the administration, I will show you the man pages, the help from the man pages. So there is a man pages. So I will show you later. So everybody try this. grep IPv4 sysctl.com. So what do you want here?
I wanna change the dots with the
Colon,
or
semicolon.
whatever.
So he said, change the dot with the semicolon. This is the thing you want?
I wanted to add the cut with the cut. Can we do the cut?
Yes, you can do whatever you want, you can do it.
Yeah, I tried here, so I couldn't do it.
No. What do you want? First you said like you want to replace dot with semicolon. I did it. Now what do you want to do?
And then show the field first. Grab the cut.
Got it?
Yeah, but mine is not working.
Maybe you're running wrong command. Try
Yeah,
this
I'm
command.
doing the same, but I changed
So,
the cut first.
so here, even I don't have to replace this. I just have to do IPv. What is a delimiter?
Not
That.
Dot is the delimiter, right?
Yeah.
Suppose if I use the equal sign is the delimiter. If I put F1, what is gonna print?
The first column.
Huh? If I say delimiter is the, I say IPv grep IPv4 cctl, and I say cut hyphen, if I say F1, what's gonna print?
Nothing. We don't have.
no,
We
all.
don't have this delimiter.
Huh?
All. It's gonna print all.
This is the parameter. This is called the parameter. This is called the parameter, and this is the parameter value.
Just kind of shows the
So what is gonna print? It's gonna print parameter. If I say F2, it's gonna print
value.
values. Got it? So whatever the delimiter, you can take the delimiter. Please try this. There is a command. How can I check in your Windows what are the processes is running? Like what are the applications is running in the memory? Anybody? Huh? In your Windows.
Go to task manager and see that.
Very good. Task manager, right? You can right click and go to task manager and like right click here. Come on. Task manager, and these are the things is open in my memory. Right? Same thing. How can I see what are the process running in the Linux system memory? What are the process or applications? PS-EF. These are the process. These are the things running in your Linux memory. First one is the user. What user it is running? Which user is running the process? Second thing is the process ID. Third thing is the parent of the process. So if you do like a PS-EF, pipe, give it to the less. It will tell you. This is the user ID. Second field is the process ID. Third field is the parent of the process ID. And C is the, I don't know what is C. And S is the start time. And TTY is the terminal. Which terminal? And this is time and what command is running. Okay? So how many fields I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? And this field is separated by
Space.
It has consistent space? It does have consistent space or not?
Yes.
What?
Consistent.
Where, man? Like, where is the consistency? Maybe here more, here less, here only one, more, one. It's a consistent space? No. Can I use cut? Let's see what happens if I use cut. Just I want the first field, or I want the field 8. PS-EF. Output of this command give to cut. What is the delimiter?
Space.
I want the first field. First field is fine. I want the second field.
It's gonna be empty.
Try third. Nope. Try fourth.
Or, yeah.
There is some process ID or empty, right? There is no consistency. There is any consistency?
No.
There is no consistent delimiter. There is no consistent separator. Cut is not smart enough to say, oh, this field has so many spaces. This field has so many spaces. Okay, forget about the PS-EF output. Let's see, again I will create another employee 1. Okay, I say e number, I put 2 space, e name, 1 space, 2 space, e name, 2 space, salary, 4 space, phone, right? 1 space, I put the single space here, e name, Abdul, 1 space, salary, phone, 102, Mateen, salary, phone, cat, EMP1. Do you think it has a consistency?
No.
Huh?
No.
No consistency, right? First row I gave like a 2 spaces, and second and third row I gave 1 spaces. And again I will add some more rows. Cat EMP1. It has a consistency. What happens if I say cat cut delimiter space EMP1? I said like a EMP2. Oh, come on. EMP1 field 2. I got Abdul and some of the spaces. So cut is not smart enough to understand what we want. If they have like exact delimiter between the columns, so cut understand, oh, this is the smart delimiter. So what is the smart command we have? Awk -f. Again, the cut, we define the delimiter with the -d, and awk, we define -f, field separator. So we are not using the -d. Cut understand the field separator with a different option. What option we can use with the cut? -d. awk, field separator understand with the delimiter understand with the different option. What option? Hyphen uppercase F. Okay. So what delimiter I have? Space. Then I said single quotes, print, $, employee name, $3, salary, EMP. I said put the space in between. Got it?
Yeah.
So awk is smart enough to understand what we want. Even if I am giving the inconsistent data, so awk understand, hey, I know what you want. So it parts accordingly and display. I want salary, field 3. But here we are printing in the different way. Print, $1 is the field 1, $2 is the field 2, $3 is the field 3, $4 is the field 4. So if I say now it's showing the consistent space in between, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So please try this. Create a file with the inconsistency. Okay. So basically, I can give you the best example. We always use the ps-ef command.
Yeah.
It will give the bunch of data. What are the things running in the system? Which user is running? So I want to check what is a Mateen is running. I am running this. Now I want only the process ID. What is the process ID? This is the process ID. This is the parent process. Which field I want? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which field I want?
Second and third.
Can you tell me the command, please?
Yeah. PS-F.
Grab a Mateen.
Martin. Pipe. You say awk. Hyphen F. With the space. Yes. Print. $2 and with the space.
Got it?
Yeah.
So what we will do with this process ID, we will see later. But using the awk command, we can extract the data whatever we want. I want to see whole process IDs, not only for a Mateen.
Oh, the first is on the
Now I want to count how many process IDs.
I will see minus 9.
Okay?
Yes.
Try this command. Try this command with your name, not a Mateen. Okay? Whatever the name, username you logged in, try grab that command and run this command. Suppose my file has okay, this is the content of my file, but I want to sort it alphabetical order. I want to sort it reverse. Suppose if I have like a duplicate entry, cat emp, then what I will do, sort, it's sorted, then what I will do, unique. Can you see if I say unique, here is the duplicate, it's gone. So I want to count the uniques. So per 1 is true, z is true, 2 times per 1, 2 times z. So what I did, I run the unique command with the -c. Okay, so try this. First create the file with some names and run these commands.